Ever wondered about the differences between the majestic Asian and African elephants? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we'll delve into a fascinating exploration of these two elephant species, focusing on their unique behavioral patterns. First, let's consider their social structures. African elephants live in larger, more cohesive family groups, typically led by a matriarch. These groups can include up to 20 or more individuals, and multiple families sometimes form clans. The bonds between females are strong and enduring, with older matriarchs playing a crucial role in knowledge transfer. On the other hand, Asian elephants live in smaller family units of between 3 to 7 individuals. Their social structure is less rigid, with more fluid group membership and less permanent bonds between females. Next, we turn to the behavior of the males. Adult African males, known as bulls, tend to leave the group at puberty, preferring a solitary existence or joining bachelor groups. They enter a period of heightened aggression and sexual activity, known as musth, which is well studied in African bulls. Contrastingly, Asian bulls are more social, interacting frequently with herds. They also experience musth, but it varies more individually and is sometimes less predictable. Moving on to feeding and habitat use, African elephants, being mostly grazers, consume grasses, shrubs, and trees depending on the season. They travel vast distances across open savannas and forests. Asian elephants, however, are primarily browsers, feeding more on tree bark, roots, and leaves in dense jungles and forests. They are more habitat-specific and are usually found in humid or semi-evergreen forests. Communication is another significant area of difference. African elephants extensively use infrasound or low-frequency sounds for long-distance communication. They are highly vocal and expressive with a wide range of sounds and body language. Asian elephants, while they also use infrasound, are less studied in this aspect. They tend to be quieter, relying more on tactile communication such as touch and trunk gestures. In terms of human interaction, African elephants in areas with poaching or human-wildlife conflict can be more aggressive or avoidant. However, those in protected parks are often calmer. Asian elephants, particularly some populations, are semi-domesticated and used in logging or tourism. Human-elephant conflict is common due to habitat encroachment, but they tend to be more tolerant of humans in regions with long histories of coexistence. Finally, let's look at their cognitive and problem-solving abilities. Both species are highly intelligent. However, Asian elephants often outperform African elephants in controlled cognitive studies, possibly due to their long history of human interaction and training. African elephants are equally intelligent but express it more in wild problem-solving, such as navigating long migratory routes or reacting to threats. In conclusion, while Asian and African elephants share many commonalities, they also exhibit fascinating differences in their behaviors, social structures, and interactions with the environment and humans. Whether it's the cohesive family groups of African elephants or the adaptable social structures of Asian elephants, the silent communication of the Asian species, or the vocal expressions of their African counterparts, each species offers a unique glance into the intriguing world of elephants.